Britanyl syrup is one of those powerful medicines that can turn a struggling breath into a smooth, easy inhale within minutes, making it a lifesaver for people facing sudden asthma attacks or chest tightness. Its fast action and strong relief make it a trusted choice, but knowing how it works and what side effects it may bring is just as important before using it. Britanyl syrup, containing terbutaline sulphate, is a powerful and fast-acting bronchodilator commonly used to relieve breathing difficulty in conditions like asthma, chronic bronchitis, and emphysema. It works by relaxing the airway muscles, opening the bronchial tubes, and making it easier for air to flow in and out of the lungs. Many people experience quick relief from tightness in the chest, wheezing, and shortness of breath shortly after taking it, which makes it a popular choice for sudden breathing distress. Its ability to improve airflow helps patients breathe more freely and comfortably, making daily activities easier and reducing the frequency of asthma attacks when used as directed. However, like all strong respiratory medicines, Britanyl syrup can also cause some side effects depending on dosage and sensitivity. Common ones include shakiness, nervousness, headache, increased heart rate, and mild dizziness as the medicine stimulates the body to relax the airways. Some people may also experience nausea or trouble sleeping if taken too late in the day. These effects are usually temporary but should be monitored, especially in children or heart patients. It is important to use this syrup exactly as prescribed to avoid overuse, and anyone experiencing severe reactions should seek medical advice promptly.